Hey! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nubia Red Magic 7 to an Android device. First of all, you need to access Play Store on both devices and install free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When it's ready, click on Open. Now you need to click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both smartphones. After that, select Send on Nubia and Receive on an Android. Then you need to tap on all of those dots on your Nubia smartphone and tap on Send over here. This way you will select all of your files that you wish to send and do that later on. It will take a long time now, so I will go with only one photo, only for example. Just send and tap on Got it. Now on an Android, just no thanks and close this window. As you can see, from here we have two ways to connect. We can input this key over here and then tap on Receive button, but we can also scan this QR code. If you want to do that, click on the scanning icon on an Android, select while using the app or only this time in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. Now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!